Hi, welcome to SnapDM. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can automate your Instagram. Like someone comments on your post or reel, then you need to reply there and send them DM. So it's very easy. Just log in your SnapDM and make sure your Instagram account is connected here. I'm using the mobile phone. You can use any other devices. All of them have the same process. So click on the Instagram OS and select any of your post. Like I am selecting this post. All right, so you have to rename your automation. If you want, here you can rename your automation. This is my automation name. Here my post is visible. All right, so here you can trigger by two things. First one is any specific keyword like tool, link, documents, any other keywords you want to trigger, and another is all comments. When someone commented any other things, any other keywords, then that may be trigger and automation will start. So I will go with a specific keyword like course. This will be my keyword and it will automate, and you can delete or add many keywords here. So you just have to write your own keyword. Reply comments, so you have to on this toggle, and if you want any specific reply, then you can write your reply here like thanks for comment, I have sent it in your DM. All right, just save it. So here you will see your own comment have been written. Now you can delete your comment or keep it as per yourself. I will use only this comment to be replied. This will be your comment reply, but make sure to on this AI, because when someone commented something else, then you need to reply in the same way they have commented. Now I will on the toggle of welcome message. You can edit your welcome message as per yourself, and button, everything is editable. Now on this toggle, ask audience to follow you before sending link. It will increase your followers. When someone wants to open the link, then they need to follow you first, then the link will be visible. So on this toggle, and you can write your own messages here, whatever messages you want to give, like whatever it is here written is already editable. So in the send DM, when you want to send any other things like button, product, PDF, any other links you want to add here, like I want to send link, then I will add link here, just simple as it is. I want to send a link like snapdm.app. This is my website link I want to send. You can select any other buttons, products, whatever you want to share. For the PDF, you have to upload your PDF here and then you can automate, but I will go with the link. So it's deleted. I will add here. Now after setting up the links or any other things, you will get an additional setting where it is shows a time. Like if you want to trigger the comment after few seconds, then you need to select the timer. It will help your audience look like it is a human automation. That's why the timer is given. So I'll select the timer and automation status should be active, and then just click on the publish button. So my automation is successful. Now I can save it into my library. If I will use it in the next automation, then it will help me. Like I have already provided links or any other things, then just I need to click on that automation and it will automatically fill up everything. But already I have, so I have closed it. Now my automation has been activated. When someone comment on my post, then they will get automated reply and DMs. So this is very simple. I am using my mobile phone, but you can use it in any other devices. All of the process will be same in every devices. See you soon in the next video. Thank you.